Court is now in session. Excuse me, ma'am. Please approach the bench and identify yourself for the record. Your Honor, I am Vivian Taylor. Thank you. And what is your connection to the matter before the court? Yes, I am the deceased's legal spouse. Let me remind you that this is a probate hearing. If you wish to make a claim or present evidence, it must be relevant to the case and submitted in accordance with the court procedures. Please explain the nature of your involvement. Well, Your Honor, I'm here to claim my share of the estate. Rebecca, speaking to our lawyer. Wait, what? She left Dad 20 years ago. Mark, talking to his lawyer. She's not his wife. They got divorced. I heard that. Actually, we didn't get divorced. Your Honor, I moved away, but Jack never filed the paperwork. So legally, we were still married when he passed. Miss Taylor, do you have documentation proving your marital status? Yes, Your Honor. Here's our marriage license and proof that no divorce was ever finalized. Rebecca's lawyer. Your Honor, while it may be true that Miss Taylor was legally married to Mr. Taylor, she was estranged for over 2 decades with no involvement in his life, financially or otherwise. Estranged? I wouldn't call it that. I just needed some space and Jack understood that. Besides, we always kept in touch. He didn't even show up at his funeral. What kind of wife does that? Oh, sweeties, let's not make this personal. The law is the law, and as Jack's surviving spouse, I'm entitled to his estate. Your Honor, we request that the court consider the equitable contributions made by Rebecca Taylor, the deceased primary caregiver. She sacrificed years of her life and thousands of dollars to care for Mr. Taylor during his illness. Now, while Miss Taylor might have a technical claim, Rebecca's contributions to the estate must also be recognized. Your Honor, I'm here to represent Miss Taylor. Equitable contributions don't override marital rights. Miss Taylor is entitled to the estate in its entirety, including the house, savings, and any other assets. This is insane. You left, Mom. You didn't care about Dad. Now you're just here for the money. I'm here because it's legally mine. If you didn't want this to happen, you should have talked to Jack about getting his affairs in order. He was always forgetting things. Oh my gosh, another thing that we could have avoided by planning. All right, order in the court. I can't believe this is happening. I'll need time to review the arguments presented. This case will reconvene next week.